Is your Chevy Traverse key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common culprit. This video provides a simple, step-by-step guide to replacing the CR2032 battery in your 2025 Chevy Traverse key fob, saving you time and money. This is a straightforward DIY task that takes only a few minutes. The 2025 Chevy Traverse key fob uses a CR2032 battery. This is a standard 3-volt lithium coin cell battery with 220 mAh capacity. The CR2032 is a common battery type, easily identified by its coin-like shape and markings. Compared to other battery types, the CR2032 is specifically sized for key fobs. Make sure to purchase a fresh CR2032 battery before proceeding with the replacement. To replace the key fob battery, gather these simple tools: a small plastic pry tool or flathead screwdriver, using caution to avoid scratching the fob, and your new CR2032 battery. Optionally, wear gloves to protect the fob and battery from skin oils. Locate the release button or notch on the side or back of your key fob. Use the pry tool or screwdriver to carefully open the fob housing. Gently insert the tool into the notch and twist or pry until the fob separates. Avoid forcing it, as this can cause damage. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the battery orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Use a non-conductive tool to avoid shorting the battery. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Snap the key fob housing back together carefully. Align the top and bottom halves, then press firmly until you hear a click to ensure all parts are securely in place. Test the fob's functions by pressing each button from a short distance. Start with lock and unlock to verify the remote keyless entry works. Test the panic button, which should activate the vehicle's alarm. If equipped, test the remote start function. If the fob doesn't work after testing, it may need reprogramming. Insert the key into the ignition, turn to on-run position 3 times quickly, then test again. If issues persist, visit a Chevy dealer for free reprogramming. In some cases, the key fob may need to be reprogrammed after a battery replacement. Try this first. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on-run position 3 times. If that doesn't work, you may need to visit a Chevy dealer for reprogramming. Some OBD2 scanner apps can also handle key fob reprogramming. Always double-check the battery orientation to ensure proper installation. Avoid counterfeit batteries, as they can cause corrosion and void your warranty. If the key fob doesn't work after replacement, try reprogramming it through the vehicle's ignition cycle.